Here's another one of my oddball fans. This is a Hoover box fan. Don't hear that every day. Basically, it's one of the rebadged Kill Air fans from the 70s. I think this one would be early 70s. I found this a couple years ago. Probably been 3 or 4 now. In that house that burnt down. It was in the barn with a Robeson fan. It looked kind of like this one, but it was reversible and had 4 blades. But that thing turned out to be a dud. So I still have the frame for it, but the fan itself never worked, so it got scrapped. Kind of felt bad for doing that, but you know, can't keep them all. But this one I did keep. It worked when I got it. It is a Hoover multi-purpose box fan. It's in decent shape. The grills have some breaks in them, and it did get repainted because, well, it was brown to begin with. Then I painted it green. Then I painted it brown again. And it has a homemade handle on it. It's got the typical Kill Air style blade. With the hub, wide plastic blades. The back grill is a little bit more beat up. And the label is kind of flaking off a little bit. But it's mostly there. It's got a Macmillan motor, which for some reason they painted it. There's a model sticker on, not a model sticker, but information tag for the motor is it's a 1.5 amp motor, or 15 amp motor, I guess. 1.5 makes more sense, but yeah, back grill has seen better days. It's not completely broke, but right here was cracked, so it has a washer and a screw. I don't remember the model number for this thing, because it's a weird one, but I'll look it up on one of my videos, and I'll put it in the title. But anyway, here is high. Move some good air. Shakes a little bit. This thing was originally 1 speed, but it was a 2-speed motor, so I put the other wire in the switch. Now it has low, so we'll go to low. Which is a little bit quieter. The only thing is the motor starts making a weird smell after a few minutes of running. I guess because the low winding hasn't been used much or something, I don't know. But still blows some good air. Yeah, I can already smell it. But there's low speed. Back to high. And as always, OFF spells off. Has a knob from like one of those little hot plate things, because the original switch got broke at some point. So I had to put another one in it. It has a 2-speed switch in it. And that was the only knob that would fit, so I put it on there. Coast down ain't too bad. It's actually a lot better when it runs for a while. You get a startup sound. start with low, or, yeah, low. Alright, so there you go. There is the Hoover multi-purpose 20-inch box fan from sometime in the early 70s. I'm pretty sure that motor has a date code, but since someone painted it, or the factory painted it, you can't really see it. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.